In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix error bookmarks not defined in Word. If you're finalizing a massive report or thesis in Word and suddenly see an error bookmark not defined splattered across your table, don't panic. This just means Word is looking for a link that got removed or deleted. I'll show you 3 quick ways to fix this. Sometimes this error is just a temporary glitch because Word hasn't refreshed its layout maps. Before you start deleting anything, let's try a simple document refresh. You just click anywhere, then press on Ctrl A to choose everything, then press F9 on your keyboard. And this forces Word to recalculate all of its automated fields. If the error was just a stale link, it will instantly vanish and display your correct text or page number. Now, if the error is still there, it means the actual text or heading that your table of contents was pointing to has been completely deleted or rewritten. We need to point Word back to the right spot. First, select the broken error text on your screen. Then, you just head up to the top menu ribbon, click on the Insert tab, and select Cross-Reference right here. In the settings box that pops up, under Reference Type, choose Heading or Numbered Item. And under which heading, scroll through the list and select the exact section title that belongs there. And then click Insert and close the window. This replaces the broken bookmark with a brand new healthy link that Word can easily track. Now, what if you're in a massive rush? Your document looks perfect and you just want to freeze the text so you can print it or save it as a PDF without the error popping back up. You can manually unlock it, select the arrow text with your mouse and any if you have, and press Ctrl-Shift-F9. And this permanently unleaks the field and converts the automated bookmark into a normal static text. And the error will disappear instantly. Enjoy, and keep in mind that if you use the last method, your page numbers won't auto-update anymore, just as a final step. But thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.